The next module is dashboard. The dashboard shows the abstract or current information of the company. In the iTools, we have developed user-wise dashboard like admin, back office, sales, account and HR dashboard, etc. and display relevant information to every users accordingly. So let's start with this admin dashboard. Now I am logging as an admin, where admin can see the total inquiries on the floor, active inquiries, in follow-up inquiries, converted inquiries and the drop inquiry count. If you click on any modules, you will redirect to the inquiry section. In the sales summary, the total sales till today. The sales may be group 2 sales, package 2 sales, flight, visa, hotel, etc. Received. In this section, you will get the amount which total payment you have received from this customer. So difference is outstanding into the market. In a single glance, you can identify it. Similarly, the purchase summary. The total purchase amount till today, the purchase from hotels, transporters, DMC, etc. and total paid to the suppliers. So these are your payables. In the next, today's follow-up. Here we are displaying follow-up reminder of every day, like inquiry ID, customer name, tour type, tour name, mobile number, follow-up date with time, allocate to, latest follow-up type like quotation sent, not done, previous communication history you can see from this section, and you can take directly follow-up from here as well. So here you can just define the status. And save. So it will be reflect in the previous communication history. Next, ongoing tours. In the ongoing tours, we are showing the list of tours which are already dispatches. So accordingly, the tour operators or the back office team can take a follow-up of this guest, like tour type, tour name, tour date, customer name, their mobile number, this inquiry assigned to which back office team or the sales team, and you can take client feedback from here as well on the WhatsApp. You can define the draft and click on send. So the WhatsApp window will be open. Here you can directly send the message. Next, upcoming tours. Here we are showing the list of tours which are coming into this next week. So accordingly, you can just line up the tour activity or the checklist. You can see whether the service voucher is handed over or not, the purchase is completed or not. So different types of activity are there before the tours. So you can just cross check the checklist. In this table, the upcoming tours like tour type, tour name, tour date, which is the customer, the contact details, inquiry assigned to which back office team or the sales team. Here you can define or add the checklist. Here you can define the status, and you can send happy journey wishes from here as well on the WhatsApp. Package 2. If you would like to check the payment summary of any customers, just enter the customer name, where you will get the total payment, paid payment and outstanding payment summary in a single click. Even what are the passengers are traveling into these tours, the birth date, age, ID proof, the tour name and contact details. Similar details into these group tours. So this is all about the admin dashboard.